big update coming in from Supreme Court that Arvind Kejriwal has got a relief. That's a big relief for the Aam Aadmi Party as well. Remember, Arvind Kejriwal had already got relief from the Supreme Court as far as Enforcement Directorate case is concerned, and now getting bail in the CBI case is something that he will be coming out of jail. But during the pronouncement, it was also stated by the Supreme Court that courts were inherent towards liberty of persons and they should save and exert when person is likely to. Remember, it was stated by Kejriwal's counsel that he is not at a flight risk. He will not, temper any of the evidences as far as his stature is concerned. He is a sitting chief minister and also, the top person of a national political party, and therefore the reason perhaps the Supreme Court, while pronouncing its judgment, stated that there should be completion of trial unlikely to occur in immediate future, and because there was a delay in the charge sheet that was filed by the Central Bureau of Investigation, this dealt with the prosecution's apprehension of tempering of evidences as well and rejecting those. We have concluded that appellate satisfies test of bail. We order accordingly. So the bail had been granted to Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal, and the big relief for Aam Aadmi Party just ahead of the Haryana polls as well. Remember, this was something that the party workers and the party leaders had also stated that Arvind Kejriwal once come out, this will be a big boost for the party workers in Haryana polls as well, where our Aam Aadmi Party is going to contest, and now Aam Aadmi Party leader Arvind Kejriwal getting bail from Supreme Court is something that will be a big, takeaway as far as the entire judgment is concerned. He's already got the bail from the Enforcement Directorate, and now getting bail from in the CBI case is something that is a big news as far as Aam Aadmi Party is concerned. The this is there were two petitions, remember, of Arvind Kejriwal in the top court. It was one challenging his arrest and second the bail in the CBI case. This is the bail that has been granted. What happens next as far as the challenging of his arrest is concerned, that this will remains to be seen.